Hello everyone and welcome to another video with MAKROMAKEUP. Today I'm going to be doing sort of a small haul of some vegan and cruelty-free products that I recently purchased. This is a small quick haul. I just wanted to get it out of the way so I could put a video up today. The tutorial on the makeup look that I'm wearing will be up on Friday, hopefully. Last week was so stressful. My editing program pretty much crashed my laptop, so I had to borrow my mum's laptop in order to put my last video up, and then on the weekend we actually had to go and purchase a new laptop. So good fun. So I've been setting it up all day today, which is why this video is a little bit later than usual. Anyway, to get into the haul, so I live in Australia, so all of these products are actually from Priceline and the Australis website. Australis has a great selection of cruelty-free and vegan products, and the other two products I have are from Essence. I don't know if the whole range has got a large selection of vegan products. These were the only two that I could find, but they are cruelty-free. Anyway, I'll start with the two Essence products. So basically in October last year I actually went vegan, so I'm now eating a plant-based diet. And transitioning to veganism was actually really easy for me. The hardest part was my cosmetics and my beauty products. A lot of my skincare was already vegan and cruelty-free because I use the Sukin range, which I will be doing a video on soon. So that was not too hard to change up. Makeup, however, as I am a freelance makeup artist for film and TV, it's a slow process. I don't want to waste anything that I do currently own. I feel like that's against the point. So I'm pretty much using up all of my non-vegan or cruelty-free products, throwing them out once they're done, and replacing them with cruelty-free and vegan products if I'm able to afterwards. Anyway, so I was doing a little bit of research on some vegan groups and online, and I came across these products and made some orders and went in and sort of pick them up. So the first was something that I ran out of my kit quite recently on a wedding shoot that I was doing, and it is the Essence mascaras. So these ones here are the False Lashes mascara. One is Extreme Volume and Curl, and this one is Dramatic Volume Unlimited. I am incredibly impressed by these. I haven't tried the Extreme Volume and Curl just yet, so I'm hoping it's the same as this. But the Dramatic Volume Unlimited blew me away. Blew me away. Incredibly black, incredibly lengthening and volumizing, like it lives up to its name. The one tip I have for this is the brush is quite a thin brush, so it does collect a lot of product once it's coming out of the tube. So I would recommend wiping it off on a tissue, or you're going to end up with clumpy lashes like I kind of did on this side here. Now, so those two are from Essence. The rest of this little mini haul is from Australis. Now some of this I picked up in store because they had a buy two get a third free, and some of it I picked up online because they're only available online at the moment. The next products I got from Priceline, and they are the Australis lip pencils. I got them in the colours NUDIE RUDIE, the Hamptons, Heartbreaker and Honey Bun. If you've watched any of my tutorials preceding this video, Honey Bun is my absolute favourite. I've currently got it on today, as well as another Australis lip product. It is just my perfect nude. It's just wonderful. I did try NUDIE RUDIE the other day, and I find that it's just, it may work on someone paler than myself and maybe with more of a cooler undertone, but for me it's just, it makes me look a little bit sickly. Hamptons I love, it's great, and I haven't had the chance to try Heartbreaker just yet, but it's a berry shade and I usually love berries, so we'll see how we go. These are really quite creamy. I do find that they tend to settle in the cracks in your lips, even if your lips are really well hydrated. So that's something to sort of keep in mind, but they do apply very creamy, and they are a sharpenable one, so you can keep them a little bit more sanitary than the wind up ones. While we're on lip products, I'll tell you the lip product that I have on today is the liquid lipstick from the Australis VELOURLIPS Matte Lip Cream line. This is Paris. I've tried a couple of these in the past, and I've never really been much of a liquid lipstick fan just because I lick my lips. All day, every day, I have to be applying lip balm pretty much all day. But this is fairly comfortable to wear, and it is pretty long wearing considering that I am licking my lips all day, and I do drink water from a drink bottle all day as well, and that can sometimes rub off. They've got sort of a, what's the scent again? I was smelling it. A very bubblegum like scent, like the sort of bubblegum you would get in a show bag or something like that. It's a very I don't mind it, but I reckon some people would probably have an issue with that. It's a beautiful colour. Again, this paired with Honey Bun is my new favourite lip combo. Now we're going to be moving on to some brow products, and the first one, I haven't had the chance to try it just yet, but it's the AUSTRALIS Extender Lash and Brow Clear Mascara. I ran out of my L'Oreal one that I was using, so I decided to pick this one up. I'll only really be using this on the brows. I'll let you know how it goes once I try it out. And for the last products, we're sticking with the brows. I got some brow pencils. I got them in all 3 shades that they have. These ones I got online because I don't believe they're available in the store yet. They're the Micro Brow Pencil. I had been using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, I think that's what it's called. They are cruelty free, but they're not vegan. It's actually quite difficult to find vegan brow products because a lot of them do contain beeswax. But I found these on the website and I thought I may as well give them a go. I don't know how I feel about them just yet. With these ones, they do have a spoolie and the product on either end, so that's really helpful. I don't know, I've currently got, what have I got on today? I've got brown, easy. I've got brown, there's dark brown and ash blonde. I've got brown on today. I don't know if I'm feeling like it's a little bit too warm. I'll play around with it more. This is only my second time wearing it, so we'll see how we go. Because these are wind-ups, they are a little bit harder to keep sanitary if you do want them for your kit. So that's kind of, you know, a choice that you make, whether or not you want to use them or go with a sharpening pencil. But that is all for today, guys. I told you it was a very mini haul. I just really wanted to get a video up, so I'm staying on my sort of schedule here. This tutorial will be up on Friday. In the meantime, I'm currently looking for a black vegan cruelty-free eyeliner. If you know of one and you love it, please let me know. The eyeliner I used in this look today is from Maybelline, so I'm using it up, and it actually got used up after this eye. So I can throw that out, but it does mean that I need a replacement. I used a liquid eyeliner, but I also need like a kohl or Kajal eyeliner as well that is vegan. So please, if you've got any suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more from Macro Makeup. Until next time, bye!